Hey crypto fans! In today's tutorial I'm going to show you all about TurboWallet. TurboWallet is one of my most favorite dApps. It is hosted on the Go chain and essentially it eliminates all of the clunkiness involved with sending funds around. You don't need to ask or transfer people their wallet addresses, and you don't need to inputting gas fees or any of that stuff. It all happens on the Telegram, on your Telegram app. So just to show you, so here I typed in the top Turbo, or just the start of it, and you can see this is the TurboWallet and that's their logo. And it is a robot that you host inside your group. So as you can see, I have my group here. There I am, the admin, and I just made a demo Telegram account for this purpose. And you can see if I type in here Turbo, I have TurboWallet in as my admin. That's what that little star means there. So now TurboWallet is living inside my Telegram group, and he's the admin, as you can see up there. And what we're gonna do is send funds around. So I'm gonna send funds around to my account. As you can see, I already did it here, but I'm just gonna show you what I was doing there. So send 5 go to, and then I'm gonna send it to my demo account. You can see over there, and click enter. Now, because I haven't opened this up on my demo account, it's gonna tell me to send start to TurboWallet. Most people, their first instinct is to click the start button, and then whoop, it tells you, okay, you know what, you're gonna want to chat with me in private. So let's go over to our chat here, and I'm gonna type the TurboWallet in private. Oh, there it popped up already. And we'll just click start. And boom, there you go, it's that easy. Isn't that exciting? So here it has generated for me an account, and that is my public key. And it's telling you a few things that you can do. Now, what you're going to want to do is type in help. And this is going to give you some of the most common and basic commands. So this one you already saw me do. If you type balance, it's going to tell you your balance. And I have a little bit of go here because I was just messing around with this account before. Now, anytime you go ahead and change your name, it's going to ask you to it's going to ask you to say start again, which is what you saw me do. But as you can see, this account already existed for me, and that's why there's already a small balance in there. Essentially what's going on is it's using your Telegram account, which is supposed to be secure because you chose a good password for that or whatever. And your Telegram account is essentially your private key. And then here it has generated for you a public key. Now there's a few other things that you can do. It's telling you you can check your balance, you can do your deposit. Now for more info, you're gonna click on the help center, and that's going to open us up to a command window. And here you can see it has a long list of commands. This one here is my favorite. It allows you to send funds around really quickly, and we'll get to that in a minute. You can also use the withdraw to send money. You can create a link. I'm gonna show this a little later. Create a red envelope. This is what they call in like the gaming community, maybe like an Easter egg. And you're able to donate. You can do price checks of different tokens, and we'll go over that. This is to increase your gas, but I've never had an issue dealing with that. And within the app itself, you can swap your tokens, which is really cool. So you can send from one wallet directly into your TurboWallet, and it will swap your, for example, here it's telling you ETH to go. I think that this here is using the Go swap, which we have covered in a previous video. So I'm just going to go back to our Telegram here and show you how a few of these transactions work. So we'll be go into here where we said this lives, and now you can see I already opened it up. So I'm just gonna try and do this again. Now this is my least preferred way because this is a little more cumbersome. You have to answer yes, and then it's gonna send the tokens. And then I'm just gonna go back to my demo account, and as we can see here, it's saying to you, oh hey look, you received 5 goes. Yay, that's great. So I'm just gonna go here and respond, thanks. And we'll go back. And as you can see here, my most favorite way is just clicking the reply, or you can click there for reply. And I'm just gonna do /tip, and we'll tip 5 go. And that's going to do the same. Now, as I was talking about the Easter eggs, this is a really cool way to do it. So just to get back to the page, this is the code that you need to input. So we're just going to use that. And I'm going to input it here. We'll create a red envelope of, let's say, 100 go to, let's say, 10 users. And once we create that, it's going to ask us if we're sure we want to do that. Yes. And there you have it. We created our envelope. Now, what you're able to do is you're able to take this code that it's created and you're able to open up the envelope. So let's go back to our TurboWallet here, and I'm just going to input the red envelope in there. And you can see now it has deposited the 10 go using this red envelope. So what's really neat with this, you can put it in various spots to encourage people to check into your landing pages or into your website or into different Telegram groups. And it's just a fun way to get people to be active and interact with whatever page or site you want them to. Another really neat marketing feature is, like I was showing you, the create a link. So this doesn't require you to be on Telegram, and I'm just going to do this in the private chat. So if I go to my private chat with Turbo, I think you can see here, I already created a link there for a previous video that I did, but the audio wasn't working, so we're just going to redo this. So I'm just going to put create link, and we'll say 50 go. And it's asking us if we're sure. Now this link I am going to put inside the video description just as a bonus for the first person to come across it. They're able to pick it up and input it into their TurboWallet. So you're just going to click on this link, and I don't want to do it because it's going to then deposit the money into my TurboWallet. So I'm just going to leave that for you to discover. And because I did 2 trials, so you're going to have actually 2 links in there. I'm going to hide another link in one of the other videos. So you're going to have to browse through and find like a little Easter egg hunt where I put that. And just to finish off this demo, I think I covered most of the things. I want to show you how I am able to send from my MetaMask wallet. So I'm just going to choose any one of these tokens. I sent these previously as a demo for another video. So let's just send this to the TurboWallet. And we'll click send. Just going to use the max. Next. And if you're doing this from your cell phone, for some reason you always have to click the advance and change that to 2000 For some reason, it's always low. I'm not too sure why. Hopefully they're gonna get that sorted out soon. And as always, this stuff on the Go chain is very fast. Boom, it's confirmed. It's already done. And then we're gonna go to our wallet and look at it. If we're already talking about the speed of these transactions, I am able to show you. We'll check. Let's just show you that I already got it. Balance. That was USDC that I sent. So it's saying to me I have one Go USDC. And we also can check our balance. And we can check another token saying we have 21 fast. So here it's made a difference between USDC from the Ethereum network to the USDC hosted on the Go network. And you can see here fast is only hosted on the Go network, so that's why it's listed there. Now just to show you, we can send multiple tokens. It's not only Go that's able to send. So let's go back here and you can see I deposited one, and then somebody else's was quick enough to jump in here and deposit that. So congratulations to them. And let me just send over to my demo here, and I like to do it the fast way by doing tip. Let's do 21 fast. And as always, these transactions are really cheap and really fast. So look, this one here took 1 second. Wow. And it's costing me just around just over a tenth of a cent. So almost a 20th of a cent, but still that's like nothing. If you look at the other transactions here, this one cost me less than tenth of a cent, and it also took 1 second. This one here took 3 seconds and less than tenth of a cent. So as you can see, everything that's happening on the Go chain is really fast and incredible. If you want to look at the wallet, you just need to put in your wallet address, type it in there, and click enter. I'm just going to go ahead and do that because we deposited a few of these tokens. So now this should update. Let me just click refresh here. And we'll go to tokens held. And these are the tokens that are, I don't think this is exactly updated. I think it's in my cache here. So why don't I just, oh, there it is. Now it's updated. So you can see no more fast because I sent that away. And you can see the USDC has arrived and it is in here. Really cool app, really fast. Doesn't require any clunkiness. You can send funds around. You can leave Easter eggs. You can create links with them. Really cool marketing tool. All around, I think this is the future of how we're going to be sending money around on the blockchain, because to ask people for their accounts and their long wallet addresses or scanning their QR codes, it just becomes very cumbersome. And as you can see, the way we're sending it here is just very fast and efficient. Just to show you another little test, let's just send a little present to the first person that's going to pop up in this list. So let's send 5 Go to, and I'm going to put the @ symbol, and oh wait, that's me. So I'm just going to scroll down there and let's just choose this person here, and we'll click enter. And as you can see, this is a very fast way to send money around, especially if you are a promoter on Telegram or just a promoter, a marketing person. I think this is going to be the tool of the future. As always, I'm your host, Crypto Workers. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. And if you found them helpful, please do hit the like button and smash that subscribe button. Thank you. Crypto Workers, unite!